Good morning. Ever since Google Classroom came out, I thought their user management was kind of weak. It's still kind of weak, but uh, basically you're counting on the honesty of people who, when they first go onto the Google Classroom page, say, "I'm a teacher, I'm a student," and then giving them separate rights based on that. Basically, if you say you're a teacher, you can create your own classes. If you say you're a student your first time, you only have the option to join classes. And so that's what this teacher did. They clicked student the first time in because they were probably in a training and think I'm a student today. So here's how you change it. There's two ways to get to it, but basically you have to add them to the Classroom Teachers user group. It gives you kind of a hint when you go to the Google Classroom settings here in G Suite in the domain down here to classrooms. And on your domain, you can check to make sure under general settings that at least pending and verified teachers are able to be able to create classes. And you might skip right over this little explanatory paragraph that says users who claim to be teachers during sign up are added to this group. And if you're having issues, you might want to say verified teachers only, and that means you have to go into this group and approve them and say, yep, they're verified, and they can do it. There's really no other way to distinguish, especially when Millard has the same domain for students and teachers. There's no way to say these guys are teachers, these guys are students, the way it's currently working. So you can click there to go to this group. I like to just, under under Google Admin, head to groups, and then it's this Classroom Teachers group. It's a custom group that was built when you enabled Classroom Manage Users and Classroom Teachers. And I'm on the SCDC domain, so we don't have anybody that's in there as a teacher. If you have students in here, then you want to check their boxes and then remove them. But if you want to add people, click in here, put in that teacher's email address, and add them as a member to that group, and then that will add them as a verified teacher, and they'll have access to Classroom. So hopefully that'll get you working and help this teacher out, and to help you manage your teachers and students with Classroom going forward. Thanks.